Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo Y72 5G and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's enter reset options, and as you can see on the third position we've got reset all settings option, so let's tap on it. Here we've got also the information that your device will restore some functions which are default, including function switches, options, etc., personalized settings and content field in during setup. So if you are ready, just tap on reset all settings. Here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone, so just tap on reset all settings if you are ready, and let's wait. And as you can see, right now our device will be restarted, and after that all the settings will be brought back to their defaults. So actually this is it. This is how to reset settings in your Vivo Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.